This might be one of my most favorite type of videos to make now. Yeah, this is going to be me pretty much explaining the trade that happened today. I sent it out to my team, my one-on-one team, and some of them took it. Some of them made a good amount of money. This right here, this is NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ on the daily. A lot of people are trying to sell and becoming fearful. Now, on the daily, there is a really fat candle coming into the zone, so that's a bit worrisome. But don't mind everything to the left. It's just the contract expiring. I think NASDAQ, NQ, whatever you're going to call it, is going to buy up long term over the next couple weeks. Could I be wrong? Probably, maybe. Not probably, but I could be wrong. You know, it's a 50-50. You flip a coin, it lands on heads or tails, and that's it. But I think buys are going to start coming in. So take that with a pinch of salt, a grain of salt. That's my outlook on NAS, on NQ. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into gold. I'm going to show you guys the setup from today. It was very simple, very textbook. We're going to play this back. It hit TP, and then it pretty much reversed. So we go to the hourly. What we see, if this would load, what we see on the hourly is we were previously tapping into higher time frame demand. Now it's kind of a terrible demand, I'm not gonna lie, but overall we were reacting off this demand we were accumulating. And what I saw was when I went down to the 15, what I saw was we had something in my eye. I feel like there's always something in my eye whenever I do these videos. I saw a 15-minute demand right here. Now, this didn't break any structure at all, but I really didn't care because this is the hourly to the 15, down to the 5-minute, down to the 1 minute. It's just tons of confirmation entries. So now we go down to the lower time frame again. And now I'm just going to delete this. I won't delete it. I'm going to make this red though. So now once we go down to the lower time frame, what we see is this demand right here. What we had was a sweep of this low, and then we had a break of this high sitting right here, this minor high. And with gold, that's really all that you need. So what we had was these equal lows right here. This is just our liquidity. We zoom in, boom, boom, boom. And now what we can do is we can take our fib tool and we bring it from the low to the high, and that also lines up with our demand. And simply put, all you need to do, you know, you could have taken at the 0.79 on the fib, or you could just got an aggressive entry right here. I took this, I got stopped out break even. A lot of my team actually took the dub on this because this was playing around for so long. So we tapped in, and this is where I set break even, not sat, because it's up about a 1R, and it's Monday, so risk is kind of off. As soon as I set break even, bro, as soon as I set break even, it rips a TP. It rips a TP. Now, if you wanted to, you know, it lines up the 1 minute as well. This lined up perfectly with the 50%, which that would have been beautiful. Almost a 6R, 5.5R, but it's the same thing. You have a sweep, you have a break on the 1 minute, you got a fake low right here, which is classified as liquidity and counted as liquidity. So you stop out these early buyers right here, you tap into this demand, you fulfill all of the 5-minute imbalance right here and tapping into the 5-minute demand, previously tapping into the 15 and previously tapping into the hourly, and you ride it up to these highs right here, the high of the move. That's it. You don't want to get greedy. Why would you want to get greedy? You have all these accumulated orders sitting right here that need to get taken out. This is all just liquidity. This is liquidity, and you want to ride it to the liquidity. You don't want to ride it any higher. Why? Why would you want to ride it any higher? Pause. All right, there's no reason to. Ride it to the high of the move and to the liquidity, because after that, once we took down and we swept the liquidity, show you exactly what happens. We place out. This could have been another beautiful confirmation continuation entry right there. But you know, we play this out. We can see we take out the liquidity, those orders, and then we dump, because gold is kind of dumping currently, and that's why I also see my eyes kind of looking towards buys on NASDAQ overall. But yeah, that was basically it. So I'll put the screenshot of this gold call out buy right here. I'll actually just show you guys on my Discord group. So boom, that was when I called it out, and that was it. Simply it. It's very basic. Sweep, break. How much more that you need? Internal, but there's many confirmations towards why I called out this trade, why I took it, why I set break even as well. Because going back to this, as you can see, once I took this, it just within one candle came back, and I'm like, nah, I'm not doing that. So, like I said, it's only Monday. Risk was off. Still a good day. Some of the team caught this trade still, even though I got hit break even. So that's the win. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in the next video.